QveenSawse gang family, hi, I'm Claire. Nice to meet you if you're new. So today I have date night. So I'm bringing you guys along to get ready with me. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like it, like thus far. If you like my makeup, just give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my video. Thank you for watching, QveenSawse gang family. Bye. So for foundation, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shades 330 and 355. And then to highlight under my eyes and stuff like that, we're going to have the LA Pro Girl Conceal in the shade Almond and the Master Conceal in medium deep. And then to contour my face, I'm going to be using the ColourPop stick. Everything is smudged off, but I think this is the color Doom or Dark or something like that. It starts with a D. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with banana powder and I'm gonna set everywhere that I added the concealers, and then I'm gonna go in with my contouring palette and then put it over top of my cream contour. So because it's date night, I want to keep it real simple. I'm going in with the Lorac palette, the gray Lorac palette. And the first shade I'm going to start off with is the light brown, LT brown. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. The next shade, I'm going to take my finger and go in with Rose and put it all over the center of my lid. Now I'm just gonna spray my brush on both sides and go in with the same color closer to my tear duct. Okay, going in with beige, it's gonna blend out where I put the rose color. And then I'm gonna finish up by putting on, can you guys see my eyes? Yeah. And now I'm gonna do liner and mascara and lashes. Alright, I'm aware that I have a piece of glue on my eye right there. I'm very aware, but I have to let it dry so that it doesn't mess up my eyeshadow. So now I'm gonna brush away all that banana powder that I put on before, and I'm gonna add a little bit of blush to my cheeks. I have a blush palette, so I literally just swipe, blow, smile. Yeah, I'm not like. As of lately, I haven't been able to find my lip gloss, like the one with like the blue chunks. I haven't been able to find it, so I don't know where it is. Alright, so I'm gonna take a brown liner, outline my lips. never noticed how small my freaking top lip is. Jeez Louise. Okay. So this is the finished look. I'm thinking about adding highlight, but I'm really not sure if I want to add highlight. I have a colored pop eyeshadow because I'm not really going for well, I'm gonna use this as a highlight. I can't show you guys what it looks like, but it's called Game Face. It's like bronzy type, and I'm gonna mix that with the Urban Decay 50/50 highlight. Like, it's very, very subtle, so that's freaking perfect. Well, brain. So, what do you guys think? This is the finished look. I'm just gonna go put on my dress and I'll be right back. So this is the dress that I was gonna wear, but it's like in the front at the top, it's just too big. Like, I would want it to fit like that, you know, like closer to this at the top. And it's like really loose, so I probably can't wear it, but I was gonna wear it with these heels. But yeah, it's a size small. I might be selling it, not sure, but this is what it looks like. If you guys have more chest, you definitely will be able to fit this, but yeah, I definitely can't wear this today because it doesn't fit. Okay, so I just changed my outfit. I have on a skirt, a sweater type shirt sweater, and then so I just changed my outfit. Now I have on a sweater type top, skirt, and I'm gonna probably wear these clear heels. So yeah, I think this is like a cool alternative. What do you guys think? So that was perfect. So this is the finished look. If you like this video, make sure you give me a nice like on this, comment, let me know, let me know. And if you do want the neon dress, I might sell it for like $15–20, like, and then if you're not here, like where I live, then I'll ship it for free. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do want to purchase the neon dress that I had on, it's a size small. I'll sell it for like $15–20, and if you don't live here, free shipping, like, don't worry about it. But yeah, send me like a DM or a Snapchat or a comment, whatever. But this is it for this video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Nice to meet you. My name is Claire.